This Depin project has a token that is listed and has already risen by 30% in the last few days. And the project allows you to run a node on a PC that is helping to build the world's largest web data index. I covered the first node sale in a previous video, and I'm currently running that node and earning $75 a month with it. And there's a super rare node sale happening on the 17th of November, and I've got you exclusive whitelist access. These nodes can earn up to $100 at today's coin price. So make sure you stay till the end of the video, as I'll give you exclusive access to the whitelist spot for that sale alongside the 10% discount code, and I'll even break down my full earnings from the previous node sale. You'll have to hurry though, because the deadline to register on my form is going to be on the 17th or 18th of November. And don't click off if you're watching after this date, because you can still access the public sale from the 20th of November and still use my discount code. In this video, I'll quickly overview the pre-sale and how you can get in. I'll then do a brief overview of TIMPI and what they're building. I'll then cover why I'm excited about this project and cover the new token update. And then I'll talk about the new node that they're selling and how it earns, including the specs. And lastly, I'll show you exactly how you can get whitelisted for the upcoming sale. There's some complicated steps with additional wallets that you need to download, but I've got you covered. I'll do a step-by-step. Right, that's it from me. Let's jump straight into the video. First things first, there's a pre-sale that's taking place for the Founders Edition Synaptron node, as well as some additional Guardian and Collector nodes. That pre-sale is happening on the 17th of August. It's a whitelisted pre-sale, which means you cannot get access to that pre-sale unless you are in a whitelist, and that's where I've got you covered. The Founders Edition Synaptron is $1,250. This node is going to earn you the most, and at 1600 TIMPI for the highest amount. That's a current estimation of $104. To register for that, I've got a whitelist form which is in the description, and you simply have to enter a specific wallet address, not a MetaMask wallet, and your details. And make sure you stay till the end of the video, because I'm going to do a step-by-step tutorial showing you exactly what you need to do, how you add the wallet, and how you get the specific address that you can put on this form. If you're watching this video after the 17th of November, then worry not. From the 20th of November, you can still purchase this node. In both occasions, use the code PASSIVECRYPTO, and you'll get a 10% discount. Now, don't click off the video. I'm going to go into detail on the project. I'm going to talk about the nodes, the minimum specs, what the earnings are going to be, and I'll even show you my earnings from the previous node that I bought. But I just wanted to put this to your attention in case you were going to skip off the video. Right, let's jump on to the next part of the video. I just want to pause the video. If you're enjoying the content so far, do press like on this video and subscribe to the channel. It allows me to put new videos in front of you more frequently. Right, that's it from me. Let's get back to the video. So let's jump into the TIMPI website so we can learn more about this project and what it's trying to achieve. So TIMPI is built on a Depin Node network that spans over 6 continents, and it is building the world's first decentralized web index, second only to Google. So TIMPI is in the business of data, and as you know, data is the new gold. It's the most valuable asset in the world. And web indexing is a process in which you collect, sort, and store data from the internet so that it can be quickly searched and retrieved and used for a multitude of reasons. Think of it as an example of somebody going into the internet and taking every single web page and putting it neatly into filing cabinets sorted by tag words and key topics so that it can be retrieved quickly. That's what web indexing is. And TIMPI is doing an amazing job at this. And this is no small web index. It's got access to over 5 billion web pages, which should make it larger than Bing, which is, of course, Microsoft's search engine. And this access to data has a ton of use cases. It can be used to train large language models. These are AI models. It can be used for market research, e-commerce, real estate, education, technology, even in marketing to target specific demographics. The list goes on and on. And TIMPI has actually got a few products. So they've got the central hub, which is the dashboard. Now, this is something which allows users or people to showcase the entire online presence in one location. So companies can use this. And there's an example here of influencers that could use all of the available online data to build a dashboard. So just imagine the use case that that could have. They've got another product, which is a search engine. So it will be utilizing its own web index to create a search engine, which is unbiased and is secure and has got AI integrated into it. And one of the other products they have is their own AI, which is built on their web indexing. And their AI is called Wilson. So just imagine the competitor to ChatGPT, where they are the ones that are amassing that data. And lastly, as I mentioned, this entire project is run on nodes that are run by users across the world, and we run them on our own PCs, or we can delegate them to Node as service providers. That's a short snapshot on what TIMPI is. Now, I did do in-depth video on TIMPI. I'll link that in the description and the top right-hand corner. So after this video, if you still had questions about TIMPI, you could jump into that video. So let me move on to the next part of the video. Why am I excited about TIMPI? Now, I did make a previous video on the TIMPI project, and since then, the market cap of TIMPI has risen to nearly $6 million. It was only $2.5 million at that time, and considering we are in the bull run, I can only imagine that this is going to grow even more. It only started from October this year, and so it's got a project that already has a listed token that you'll be earning as soon as you buy the node and start deploying it. And talking about the token price, if you go on the top Depin coins by market cap on CoinGecko, and you can see that the actual token for this project is one of the largest gainers with 25% gain in the last few days. That's the reason number one why I'm excited for this project. And reason number two is the data that they have been collecting. Now, they've got this data dashboard, it's got an ability to have APIs and a data marketplace. Now, potential buyers can go on the TIMPI website, set up an exploration call, and they can actually start integrating with the project already. So they have the ability to start engaging companies and businesses right now. And reason number three is that they already have a project that is running on these nodes. If you remember in my last video, I talked about the Guardian nodes and the collector nodes. Well, those nodes are earning. And in fact, they've been giving rewards to people that have been running those nodes through their Apex sessions. And so this is not just a project where we're selling nodes, but you can deploy and earn immediately. And as I've mentioned, I've been earning over $75 a month with the new token price. And lastly, they are on track with their roadmap, with step one being the nodes, the Guardian, Collector, and Geocoin nodes. Of course, I was able to sell some of these in the last video. The search engine, the AI, and the dashboard, and of course, they've built their own blockchain. And so they're now well on the way with phase two, which is the Synaptron node, what we're going to cover in this video, which is training their AI models. And they're going to be building on some of the content that they have already done so far. So there's a huge step-by-step process with this project, and they have a lot of fun things that are advertised down the road. Right, that's enough talking about why I'm excited about the project. Let's move on to the next part of the video, which is talking about the nodes and how they earn. So there's a series of nodes that TIMPI have on offer, and they sell them in small batches because they want to make sure that they have enough out there that are running and supporting the network. In the last video, I gave some of you guys the opportunity to get involved in the Guardian node. This was called a Founders Edition, so it earns more tokens, and the Collector node. And the Guardian node are storage nodes that archive the web and store it. The Collector node are the decentralized workers. These are actively crawling the internet and collecting web information. And they've got the Geocoin nodes, which are strategically located nodes, allowing a reduction in latency. So in the last video, I actually purchased one of the Founders Edition Guardian nodes. And I did do a video on my website showing you how you can deploy one of those nodes for yourself. I actually did it through Node Orbit, and it was a super simple process. And you can see that for 1 month, I earned 1,189 TIMPI tokens. So that's roughly at today's rate, $76. This is 1 month of earnings because I was a little bit late in getting my node online, but some people would have got over $150 if they got theirs online in time. And that's going to give me guaranteed earnings for at least 3 years. It should be earning around 1,000 tokens a month, but I earned a little bit more because for those people that don't use their nodes, we actually get a little bit of their allocation. And so I'm already earning an ROI on this node at the moment, and I'm excited to see if the token price rises, my ROI could decrease. And the Synaptron nodes, which are going to be on sale in this whitelist, are at the forefront of the AI advancement. This node is going to facilitate the rapid information exchange, enabling the AI models to learn. This node is going to help grow the AI component for the TIMPI project. And so in this upcoming node sale, there's going to be 3 nodes that are available. There's the Founders Edition Synaptron, a Guardian node, and a Collector node, and you can see the cost of those nodes over here. I'll quickly run through the specs for the Founders Edition Synaptron before I show you what the potential earnings could be for these nodes. Now you can see here that there's a minimum spec for the actual computer hardware, and it's there up on screen: 4-core CPU, 12 gigabytes of RAM, and there's got to be a compatible NVIDIA GPU. So to run this node, you're going to need to have access to some sort of a GPU with a minimum of 4 gigabytes of RAM. If you have a 4 to 6 gigabyte graphics card, that's going to allow you to enter tier 1. And I'll quickly show you the earnings for tier 1 in the next screen. If you have a better graphics card, then you're eligible for tier 2. Of course, that's going to allow you to get more earnings. So with this Synaptron node, unlike the Guardian and the Collector nodes, there is an additional component required, which is the graphics card. And I did a little bit of research online. You can get some of the base model graphics card on Facebook Marketplace from anywhere between $20 to $60 because the price of these have actually come down. The other graphics cards, they are a little bit more expensive. Now, some people do have these already. If you have a gaming rig, that would be perfect to use. If you wanted to build your own rig and you've got the components here, you can put together a bit of a price list. It might cost you between $200 to $250 depending on how good you can get your items and if they're new or used. And running these nodes would be super simple. You just download some software and run them on the node. And there's plenty of workshops in the Discord to show you how you can do that. So just to summarize, this is the spec sheet that you'll need when you run this road. So how much can you earn from one of these nodes? So if I head on to this page here, it gives you an idea of the earnings that you'll get per node per year. And so in the first year, if you're in tier 1, you'll be getting 1,400 TIMPI tokens, which at today's price is $91 a month. And if you have a tier 2 Founders Edition node, you'll be getting a share of 1,600 tokens. And that's roughly $100 a month, which means if the token did not rise from today's price, that ROI would be around 12 months. It would be less, of course, if the token rose and you were able to gather your profits. The rewards for the Collector node are 375 TIMPI a month, and the rewards for the Guardian nodes are 667 rewards per month. And as with the other nodes, these are promised for at least 3 years. Let's move to the last part of the video, showing you step by step how you can get prepared for the whitelist form, because there's some additional steps that you need to take. Step number 1 is going to be to download the keplr wallet. This is the wallet that you're going to use to store your node and also to receive the NFT for the node. If you don't already have it, you can get the keplr wallet and it should download as an extension on Chrome or Firefox. So you can create a new wallet and you can create a new recovery phrase. Now, obviously, you're going to want to hide this because you don't want anyone to see it. So after you've got a keplr wallet, the next thing you need to do is add the Neautaro blockchain to this wallet. To do that, you'll simply click on the link in the description. That will take you to this page and you click on Add Neautaro Chain to keplr. So it will ask you, you'll approve, and then you'll click Show My Wallet Address. Now this is the wallet address that you'll need to do your whitelisting. It's also the wallet address that you'll need to purchase from if you're purchasing in TIMPI. Now, when you go to the keplr wallet and add chain, you'll see that the Neautaro chain is actually there. So if you go to keplr now, you should see it there and you can copy your wallet address if you ever lose it. But you can always go to this website if you need to. You can then go on this link to show any NFTs after you purchase them as well. Now that you've got your Neautaro wallet address, you're going to go to the form that I've put in the description. You're going to enter your email address, and this is where you're going to paste your keplr wallet address. Now, this is the address that you are going to be whitelisted on. Then you're going to enter your name, your last name, and then agree to purchase. Now, remember, during the purchase process, you can pay using any of these tokens. And so if you've got USDT or USDC, you can pay using MetaMask, but you only need the Neautaro wallet address when you're registering for the whitelist. You can pay using an additional MetaMask if you don't want to put coins in here. Of course, if you pay using TIMPI tokens, you do get a 5% discount, and the ability to put that in there is a little bit long-winded, so I'll keep it simple for you for now. And that's it. On node sale day, all you'll have to do is, number 1, connect your keplr wallet. Number 2, there'll be an option to either pay using keplr or you can pay using a MetaMask wallet and the like in the tokens that are listed. And then step 3, you'll get your NFT. And as mentioned, you can show that NFT on this link if you ever wanted to do so. I'll do a follow-up tutorial on how you can run one of these nodes once you get your hands on that NFT. And it's as simple as that. Hopefully that was easy enough for you. I wish you all the best in this pre-sale. Remember, if you miss out on the pre-sale, you can get in on the public sale after the 20th. Right, that's it from me. I'll catch you in the next video.